Good morning, dear students. Myself, Yogesh Ashok Kanade, lecturer at Decius Institute of Pharmacy, Dhule. In previous lecture, we have studied about local anesthetics, that is, definition, methods of administration, ideal properties of local anesthetics, and chemical classification of local anesthetics. In today's lecture, we are going to see the drugs which are for your study. The first drug, that is benzocaine. Properties: it occurs as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, and a bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water, soluble in dilute acids, freely soluble in alcohol, ether and chloroform. प्रॉपर्टीज का है, कलरलेस क्रिस्टल्स है कि व्हाइट क्रिस्टलिन पाउडर है, ओडरलेस है, बिटर टेस्ट है, वेरी स्लाइटली सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, सोल्यूबल इन डाइल्यूट एसिड, freely soluble in alcohol, ether and chloroform. Stability storage: it is affected by light, therefore storage stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used as a local anesthetic for relief of pain associated with dental procedures, sore throat, ear pain, hemorrhoids, etc. It is also used in pain associated with minor cuts, scabs, muscular pain, etc. It is used along with aminophylline to prevent nausea and vomiting. It is used to relieve the pain of gastric ulcer और गैस्ट्रिक कार्सिनोमा. यूजेस का है कि benzocaine is used for relief of pain in the conditions like dental procedures, sore throat, ear pain, hemorrhoids, minor cuts, muscular pain, gastric ulcer or gastric carcinoma. Along with that, it can be used along with aminophylline to prevent nausea and vomiting. Official preparation: benzocaine cream, benzocaine gel, benzocaine ear drops, benzocaine topical aerosol, benzocaine topical solution. Official in your USP, benzocaine lozenges, which is official in your BPC. Brand names: Solivax ear drops, Helix spray, Zocaine gel, Benzoscap, etc. Among this, the most famous which is available into the market, that is Solivax ear drops, which is having benzocaine drug as an active ingredient. Then the next drug for your syllabus, that is procaine. Now this is the structure of procaine. Now in this structure, apply the nomenclature rules. That first we are going to identify the basic skeleton. Now in this structure, the basic skeleton which we have identified, this is your basic skeleton. Now this is the basic structure. Benzene ring, and there is a presence of your COO, that is carbon, and 2 oxygen atoms are present. This is the structure of para-amino benzoate. Sorry, this is the structure of your benzoate. This is the structure of your benzoate. And in this structure, if I give the numbering 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4th position. Means at 4th position, which group is present? Amino group is present. Therefore, what will be the name of this basic structure? The name of this basic structure will be para-amino benzoate. The name of this structure will be para-amino benzoate. Now, a question may arise in your mind, sir, we can call it as para-amino benzoic acid also. Now, remember that if in the structure, this group particularly, Remember, if in your structure, if this carboxylic acid only C double bond means C double bond O is present, then we call it as benzoate. And benzoic acid will be called when C double O H is present. जर स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये C double O H जर प्रेझेंट असेल तर त्याला आपण म्हणणार बेन्झोइक म्हणजे पॅरामायनो बेन्झोइक ऍसिड. आणि या पोझिशनला जर फक्त कार्बन आणि 2 ऑक्सिजन जर प्रेझेंट असतील तर त्याला म्हणतो आपण पॅरामायनो बेन्झोएट. मीन्स इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर the basic ring which is present, that is your para-amino benzoate. Now second, give the numbering to the structure of para-amino benzoic acid. Now if you give the numbering, you will see that 1, I have given the numbering 2. At second position, what is present? At second position, 2-diethyl amino group is present, and this CH2 that is the structure of your ethyl. Is what will the chemical name? The chemical name will be 2-diethyl ethyl para-amino benzoate. This will be your chemical name. So this is your chemical name. 2-diethyl amino. See, this is your 2-diethyl amino. Then again ethyl. This is the structure of your ethyl. Then next, that is basic. Write down the name of the basic structure, that is para-amino benzoate. This is the structure of your para-amino benzoate. Means this is the structure of procane and this is the chemical name of procane. 2-diethyl amino ethyl para-amino benzoate. This is the one of the important structure for your exam point of view, that is procane. If you see the properties of procane, it is colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless and a salty bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, very slightly soluble in chloroform. Then the next point, that is stability storage condition. Procane is stable if you maintain the pH of the solution 3.6. If there is increase or decrease in the pH, then procane will become unstable. Along with that, it is also affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. Now remember the stability storage condition of procane. Sometime it is asked in your annual examinations. Procane is stable at pH 3.6. If there is increase or decrease in the pH, then it will become unstable, as well as it is affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used for relief of pain associated with pruritus, burns, arthritis, jaundice, etc. It is used as a local anesthetic agent. It is used with penicillin to increase the duration of action of penicillin. Procane, it is mixed with penicillin to increase the duration of action of penicillin. That is called as fortified procane penicillin injection. It is also used to prepare sparingly soluble solution of heparin. Now, what is the use of heparin? Heparin is an anticoagulant. Anticoagulant means the drug which delay or prolong the coagulation time of blood and prevent coagulation, that are known as anticoagulants. Heparin is an anticoagulant. To prepare the sparingly soluble solution of heparin, we can add procane. Along with that, procane is also administered with adrenaline to prolong the activity of procane. Now in your PNT, there is one give reason that why local anesthetics are used along with adrenaline. Why? Because they are used to increase the duration of action of your procane and lignocaine local anesthetics. Official preparation: procaine injection IP, procaine and adrenaline injection IPVP, fortified procaine penicillin injection IP. Brand names: Novocaine, Ethocaine, Neocaine, Phenolocaine, etc. These are the brand names or trade names of procaine. Now the next drug, that is lignocaine. The other names are lidocaine, xylocaine, etc. Now the last drug, that is lignocaine, or it is also known as lidocaine or xylocaine. Now this is the structure of lignocaine. Now you can give chemical name to the structure of lignocaine. We will see that one by one. The first chemical name I have given is 2-diethyl amino N in bracket 2,6-dimethyl phenyl acetamido. In this structure, I have selected the first one, basic parent skeleton, as acetamide. Now this is the structure of acetamide. I have chosen the parent structure, that is acetamide. This is the structure NH double bond O CH2. This is the structure of your acetamide. Now to the structure of acetamide, I am going to give the numbering. This is 1 and this is 2 position. At second position, what is present? Diethyl amino group is present. At second position, 2-diethyl amino group is present. Then this N, you will see there is a presence of this structure. What is the name of this structure? The name of this structure is N,2,6-dimethyl phenyl. That is your first chemical name by considering the parent structure, that is acetamide. Acetamideचं स्ट्रक्चर कन्सिडर केल्यानंतर मी ह्या केमिकल नेम मध्ये पॅरेंट स्ट्रक्चर ऍसिटामाइड कन्सिडर केलं, त्याला नंबरिंग दिलं 1 अँड दिस इज 2 पोझिशन. सेकंड पोझिशनला काय प्रेझेंट आहे? 2-diethyl amino group is present. This I have written 2-diethyl amino. Then at N, this N, it is substituted with this structure. कोणतं स्ट्रक्चर आहे? स्ट्रक्चर प्रेझेंट आहे. दिस इज युअर स्ट्रक्चर. मग या स्ट्रक्चरला मी नंबरिंग दिलं आहे. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5th position, and this is 6th position. Means at 2nd and 6th position, methyl groups is present. Therefore 2,6-dimethyl, and this is the structure of your phenyl. Therefore 2,6-dimethyl phenyl. And at the last, I have written the structure of parent skeleton, that is acetamide. This is your first chemical name. Now let us see the second one. The second chemical name is 2-diethyl amino acetyl 2,6-xylidine. Now in this structure, the basic skeleton which is selected, that is the structure of xylidine, 2,6-xylidine. Now this is the structure of your xylidine. 2,6 का? कारण दुसऱ्या आणि 6व्या पोझिशनला मिथिल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आपण म्हणतो 2,6-xylidine. I have given the numbering. Therefore at second position, what is present? 2-diethyl amino acetyl group is present. This is the structure of your 2-diethyl amino acetyl. This is your second chemical name. Then the third chemical name, 2-diethyl amino 2,6-acetoxylide. What is the? Now I have changed that the parent structure I have selected, that is 2,6-acetoxylide. Now what is the structure? This is your structure. This is your parent structure. This is your parent structure known as 2,6-acetyloxide. and at the second position the substitute group which is present, that is 2-diethyl amino. Therefore I have written, and at the last I have written the name of the parent structure, that is 2,6-hydroxylide. This is your third chemical name. And the last chemical name, NN-diethyl amino acetyl 2,6-xylidine. Here I have selected the same parent structure, that is 2,6-xylidine. This is your 2,6-xylidine, and in this parent structure I have given the numbering, and at this N position two same ethyl groups are present, therefore I have written NN-diethyl, then the structure of your amino, then the structure of your acetyl, and the basic structure, that is 2,6-xylidine. That is the chemical name for lignocaine. You have to remember all these four chemical names to the structure of belonging to the structure of lignocaine. This is a common structure, and these are the four chemical names. Now particularly about this NN, in your heterocyclic compounds, refer the last parts in nomenclature rules, that is after substitutes. I have given you the examples that how this, when this nitrogen is written, when double nitrogen is written, when two different nitrogens are written, that is NN dash when it is written, etc. In your heterocyclic compound notes, in nomenclature rules, after substituents in last parts, I have given you the notes related with the substituent belonging to the nitrogen. In that you can easily study about this NN. Now properties. Lignocaine or lidocaine is a white crystalline powder, odorless and slightly bitter taste. It is very soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, soluble in chloroform, practically insoluble in ether. Stability storage. It is a stable compound, therefore stored in well-closed containers. Uses. It is used as a local anesthetic agent. It is also used for prevention and treatment of cardiac arrhythmia along with antiarrhythmic agents. Official preparation: lignocaine injection IPVP, lignocaine and adrenaline injection IPVP, lignocaine gel IP, lignocaine and dextrose injection IP, lignocaine and chlorhexidine gel IP. Then the last, that is brand name: Lignox, Otex, xylocaine ointment, Resocaine injection, etc. These are your trade names or brand names. Here we complete your chapter, that is local anesthetics. It is a very small chapter. For your exam point of view, definition of local anesthetics, classification, and the two important drugs, that is procaine and lignocaine. Both the drugs are important for your exam point of view. Thank you.